For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy laptop? Do you struggle to find a device that balances power and portability? But here's what surprised me about the Acer Aspire Go 15. It's not just a slim and lightweight laptop, but also a powerhouse that can handle demanding tasks with ease. Therefore, I'm excited to share my review of this incredible device, and by the end of it, you'll know whether it's the right fit for your needs. The Acer Aspire Go 15 is designed for those who want a laptop that can keep up with their active lifestyle. With its sleek and sturdy design, it's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone in between who wants a reliable device to get work done on the go. Therefore, I'll be putting this device through its paces, testing its performance, battery life, and features to see if it lives up to the hype. But what really caught my attention was the Acer Aspire Go 15's impressive specs. Packing an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 graphics card, this laptop is capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Therefore, I'll be putting it through some rigorous tests to see just how well it performs. Rehook: will the Acer Aspire Go 15's impressive specs translate into real-world performance? Let's dive in and take a closer look at the device's design and features. The Acer Aspire Go 15 has a sturdy aluminum body that feels premium to the touch. It's also incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 3.9 pounds, making it easy to carry around all day. Therefore, I appreciate the thought that went into designing this laptop for portability without sacrificing performance. Rehook: but will this laptop's slender design compromise on features? Let's take a look inside and see what the Acer Aspire Go 15 has to offer. The laptop features a beautiful 15.6-inch Full HD display, perfect for streaming your favorite shows or working on graphic-intensive projects. The display is also bright and vivid, making it ideal for watching movies or playing games. Therefore, I'm impressed by the attention to detail that went into designing this display. Rehook: but can this laptop really deliver on performance? Let's take a closer look at the Acer Aspire Go 15's specs and features in more detail. The laptop packs an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 graphics card. Therefore, I'm excited to see how it handles demanding tasks like video editing and gaming. But what really caught my attention was the Acer Aspire Go 15's impressive battery life, up to 12 hours on a single charge. Rehook: but can this laptop really deliver on performance? Let's take a look at some real-world tests to see just how well the Acer Aspire Go 15 performs. I put the laptop through some rigorous tests, including video editing and gaming. Therefore, I was blown away by its performance. It handled demanding tasks with ease and even managed to keep up with some of the latest games on high settings. But what really impressed me was the Acer Aspire Go 15's cooling system. It stayed remarkably cool throughout testing. Rehook: but is this laptop worth the investment? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Acer Aspire Go 15. Pros: sleek and lightweight design. Impressive specs including Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 graphics card. Beautiful 15.6-inch Full HD display. Up to 12 hours of battery life. Cons: no USB-A ports, only USB-C. Limited port selection. Rehook: but is the Acer Aspire Go 15 worth it? The verdict is clear. This laptop is a powerhouse that's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable device that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly recommend considering the Acer Aspire Go 15. For the best price, click the link in the description.